Let's get started with another video on the stocks and cryptos. So first news related to the Airbnb, and Airbnb thinks that its users want crypto payment. So users that use Airbnb to book the accommodations, they want to pay in the cryptos instead of the fiat currency. So that is the survey done by the Airbnb, and that is the outcome that they have come up with. So as you can see, a lot of people are trying to use the cryptos, and that's why interest is growing as well. The next news is about the brands that have embraced crypto so far. So here is the list of well-known brands that have invested or they have shown interest in cryptos and metaverse. So Adidas, Nike, Warriors, Microsoft, PayPal, Visa, Time, Tesla, Twitter, Ubisoft, Burger King, PSG, Budweiser, Sotheby, Christie's, AMC, Shopify. So all these brands, these are very well known brands around the world, and they have shown interest in crypto, and that's the reason I'm very bullish on the crypto space going forward. The next news is from the Indian stock market. So this is the list of the stocks that closed above their previous 52-week high uh, yesterday, and here is the list. Talbros Automotive, then Automotive Stampings. So this Automotive Stampings, this is the a company owned by Tatas, and it has given massive returns in last 1 year. Then there is a 63 Moontech. After that, the companies that I like are Tips Industries, then Tayo Rolls, another Tata company there. Gujarat Fluorochemicals, Shivalik Rasayan. After that, NRB Bearings, Globus Spirit, the alcohol company, beverage company. Then Pidilite Industries, prestigious company, another prestigious company, Schaeffler Bearing Company. Then there is ESAB India. It is another international company listed in Indian stock market. Then Asian Paints, and that's it. So these are the companies that I like from this list. The next news is about the KFC. So it is going to launch meatless fried chicken made with Beyond Meat nationwide. So Beyond Meat is another company listed in Nasdaq and NYC, and they make the food products that resemble like a meat, but that is actually made from the proper vegan and vegetables. And KFC is going to do the partnership with Beyond Meat. That means it's a good news for the Beyond Meat investors. The next news is about the 2022 themes and preferred companies. This is the list of the companies published by AIM Investments. Let's have a look at the companies that they have recommended for the from the investment perspective for 2022. So new energy and electric vehicle theme. In that there is a Borosil Renewable, Reliance, Gujarat Fluorochemicals. These are the names that I like. Then there is a Global Spirits, Fame Industries, and RACL Geartech. The next is from the home improvement, so many home innovations. Then there is a Green Panel, Acrysil, Amber Enterprises, Polycab, Havels. I like all of these companies. The next one is shifting consumer consumption patterns. There is a Polyplex, Cosmo Films, ALT Foods, and there is a Devan Internationals, Barbecue Nation, Steel Stripes Wheels. In chemical, Lakshmi Organics, Jubilant Ingrevia, SRF, Mangalam Organics, Tattva Chintan. Then finally, inflation and interest rate hike, HDFC Bank, ICICI Lombard, HDFC Life, T Mart, Britannia, Dr. Lalpath Labs, and Kaplan Point Labs. So a really good list of the companies that they have published. Then Netgear is a company which makes the networking products like Wi-Fi routers, etc. And they're also going into the NFTs and MetaMask and crypto space. So another company which is investing or looking interested in the crypto space. Good invest. It's a really good news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the electric vehicle theme. Here is a list of the companies from the EV theme from Indian stock market. The first one is Carborundum Universal. Then there is a Grindwell Norton, Amara Raja Batteries, Exide Batteries. Then there is a Tattva Chintan, Tata Chemicals. Neogen Chemicals, Gujarat Fluorochemical, Uflex, Polyplex, Jindal Polyfilms, Cosmo Films. Then there is MRF Seat, Apollo, Goodyear. Then there is a Tata Power, Reliance Industries. After that, there is a Atul Auto and National Aluminium, Hindustan Copper, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki. Then there is a Motherson Sumi, Fame Industries, Minda Industries, Superjit Engineering, Sona BLW, Precision, Asahi India. Then there is a Tata Elxsi, then KPIT, L&T Technology Services, and Explio Solutions. So these are some of the companies from the electric vehicle theme in Indian stock market. The next is about the Apple and BlackBerry comparison. So if you look at the valuations of Apple and BlackBerry in 2007, at that time BlackBerry was very popular, and as you can see, the valuation of the BlackBerry was $26 billion, and Apple's valuation was $73 billion. But in 2022, completely different numbers. You can see BlackBerry's market cap has gone down to $5 billion, just $5 billion. It came down to $5 billion from $26 billion. But if you look at Apple, that is unbelievable growth Apple has shown, because people bought Apple products and they were crazy about the Apple product. So you can see the market cap is now $3 trillion. This is the largest company by market cap in the whole world right now, and all because of the Apple products. People love Apple products. And then there is a ethanol related news in the Indian stock market. A lot of companies from the sugar sector had shown like momentum. They were up by 10, up to 10%, 20% as well. And main reason being the ethanol that gets produced in the sugar factories can be used as a fuel, and that's the reason. Basically, it can boost the financials of these sugar companies, and that's the reason there was a momentum in these stocks. And final news is about the Nvidia. Nvidia is also embraced the metaverse, and it is made this metaverse software available for free. That's another good news for the crypto investors. That's it in this video. I'll see you in next one. Thanks for watching.